Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are making Takikomi Gohan, which means steamed mixed rice. I'm going to add chicken and 3 mushrooms and cook the rice in a rice cooker. Here are the ingredients. 3 cups of Japanese rice, 150 grams of chicken breast, 50 grams of enoki mushrooms, 50 grams of enrigi mushrooms, 50 grams of shimeji mushrooms, 100 grams of carrots, 1 sheet of aburage, 70 grams of frozen green peas, 250 ml of water for making Japanese stock, 1.5 tablespoons of Japanese cooking wine, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant granules for stock, a half teaspoon of salt. Rinse the aburage in hot water, then cut into quarters and shred. Cut off the mushroom's tails and chop them into small pieces. Peel the carrot and thinly slice, then cut into shreds. Dice the chicken into small pieces. Rinse the rice under running water 4 or 5 times and drain in a sieve. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the chicken and stir for a minute. Then add all the vegetables except the peas. Stir another 2 minutes. Then add the water, the instant Japanese stock granules, cooking wine, the mirin, the sugar, the salt and soy sauce. Bring to the boil and simmer for about 18 minutes or until the sauce has reduced by half. Cook the peas in boiling water for 3 minutes and drain. Now the vegetables are ready. Put the rice into the rice cooker. Strain the vegetables through a sieve and add this sauce to the rice. The liquid should come up to number 3. Top up the liquid with water if it doesn't. Then add the cooked vegetables without stirring. Then cook the rice as usual. The rice is cooked. Now add the peas and mix well. Garnish with shredded nori. Itadakimasu. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.